Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're learning something fun and healthy, the alphabet with Indian vegetables. India has an amazing variety of vegetables, perfect for any meal. Let's see how many we can discover, A to Z. A. Ash gourd, Pesa. Our expedition commences with ash gourd, a humble vegetable adorned with a smooth, green skin. It's a treasure trove of dietary fiber. B. Bitter gourd, Karela. Don't let the name fool you. Bitter gourd has many health benefits and adds a unique flavor to curries. C. Cauliflower, Gobi. This white, snowy vegetable is packed with vitamins and minerals. You can enjoy it roasted, fried, or even mashed. D. Drumstick, Sajanti Feli. These long, green pods are loaded with protein and calcium. They add a unique texture to soups and stews. E. Eggplant, Brinjal. This versatile vegetable comes in many shapes and sizes. You can grill it, bake it, or even use it to make delicious dips. F. French beans, beans. Stringy and crunchy, these green beans are a classic side dish. They're full of fiber and vitamins. G. Ginger. This aromatic root adds a spicy kick to many Indian dishes. It also has medicinal properties, making it a true superfood. H. Hyacinth bean, Lab. These purple beans are a great source of protein. You can enjoy them boiled, stirred, fried, or even sprouted. I. Indian spinach, Methi. This leafy green vegetable has a strong, fragrant flavor. It's rich in iron and vitamins, making it a healthy addition to any meal. J. Jackfruit, the king of fruits. Jackfruit is a giant fruit with a fleshy interior that can be cooked like a vegetable. It's a great option for vegetarians and vegans. K. Kohlrabi. This unique vegetable has a green bulb that looks like a turnip but tastes slightly sweet. It adds a nice crunch to salads and stir fries. Pel. Lotus stem, Kamal cacti. With its intriguing appearance and subtle flavor, lotus stem is a culinary marvel. Whether stir, fried or added to curries, it's a delicacy to relish. M. Mint, Pudina. Refreshing and aromatic, mint is often used to add a burst of flavor to chutneys, salads, and beverages. N. Nilkal, Kohlrabi. Nilkal, also known as nilkal, is a versatile vegetable with a crunchy texture and a mildly sweet flavor. It's often used in salads, stir, fries, and curries, adding a refreshing taste to dishes. O. Okra, Bindi. With its slimy texture and mild flavor, okra is a versatile vegetable used in curries, stews, and stir. Fries. P. Pointed gourd, pawal. Pointed gourd, with its elongated shape and green skin, is a nutritious vegetable often enjoyed stuffed or added to curries. Q. Quince. Quince is a fragrant fruit that can be cooked and used in savory dishes. It adds a unique sweetness to stews and jams. R. Radish, mulli. Crisp and peppery, radish adds a refreshing crunch to salads and pickles. It's also packed with vitamin C and potassium. S. Spinach, palak. Popeye's favorite, spinach is loaded with iron and vitamins, making it a nutritional powerhouse. It's delicious in soups, curries, and salads. T. Tomato. Tangy and juicy, tomato is a versatile vegetable used in countless Indian dishes, from curries to chutneys to soups. U. Upland cress. Upland cress, also known as land cress or winter cress, is a leafy green vegetable with a peppery flavor similar to watercress. It's rich in vitamins A and C and can be enjoyed raw in salads, sandwiches, or as a garnish, or cooked in soups, stews, and stir-fries for added flavor and nutrition. V. Vitellot potato. Vitellot potatoes, also known as purple Peruvian potatoes, are an heirloom variety prized for their vibrant purple skin and flesh. They have a nutty flavor and creamy texture, making them a unique and visually striking addition to dishes like mashed potatoes, gratins, and salads. W. Watermelon. While often enjoyed as a fruit, watermelon can also be used in savory dishes and salads, adding a touch of sweetness and hydration. X. Xanthosoma arbai. Also known as taro root, xanthosoma is a starchy tuber commonly used in Indian cuisine. It's perfect for making fries, chips, and savory snacks. Y. Yam sarah. With its earthy flavor and starchy texture, yam is a versatile vegetable used in both sweet and savory dishes. C. Zucchini, jinga. Zucchini, with its mild flavor and tender texture, is a versatile vegetable that can be enjoyed in a variety of dishes, from stir fries to salads to soups. And that's our veggie alphabet adventure. We learned about so many delicious and healthy vegetables from India. Remember, eating your vegetables is a great way to stay strong and healthy. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time.